stone soup, they call it. There was a traveler who went to a village where everybody was starving and nobody had nothing to eat. So, but he's like, hey, I have a pot of stone soup. You just gotta add in a little bit of extra. So he went to the farmer, he had a little bit of lettuce, so he threw that in. The blacksmith, he had some carrots for his horses, so he threw in the carrots, and et cetera, et cetera. The butcher, he had some leftover, chitlins, he threw up in there, whatever. So in the end, he had a big pot of soup for the whole village. And it was love that was put into this soup that fed the entire village where they were all starving. And then they asked, what was the magic to your soup? Why does it taste so good? What was it? And all this guy contributed was a stone that he found on the ground. And the stone has all the minerals and the iron that you can get from the earth to feed and help sustain this village to keep it nurtured and have enough nutrients.